Good morning, YouTubers. Just had a nice breakfast and a swim in the pool in my little villa I'm staying at. I'm going to give you a little tour around the place. Just going to walk down to the swimming pool to show you that. I found the villa on Airbnb. I will leave the link in the description below. Just going to take you inside the room I am staying in. I've even got my own outside shower. Today I'm going to the national park to have a look at the mangroves and go down the zip line. Just arrived at the national park, now I'm going on a boat to have a look at the mangroves.
Good morning, sir, and you're welcome here at Mangrove Tour. So our mangrove here, you know that the expert estimated 100 up to 200 years old. So those mangrove, century-old mangrove, you can find only here in Palawan. So we are a biggest part of mangrove forest here in Palawan.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Heading to the zip line now. They say it's 800 meters long. You start from there. As you can see, the zip line go right across the sea to the other side of the island there. A long way up to get to the zip line. Oh. Loads of dodgy stairs. Nearly at the top of the zip line. I'm out of breath already. Too unfit. There's the view of the zip line. Here I go. Woo-hoo. Look at the view. Had another great day in the Philippines. On day 6 I'm going to the underground river. They say it's one of the 7 wonders of the world, so I'm looking forward to seeing that.